Hello, 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 and welcome to Storytime with Bill. So today, we will be reading Fire Truck vs. Dragon by Chris Barton with art by Shanda McCloskey. It might surprise you that a fire truck and a dragon can be, in fact, good friends.
We get along great. Why wouldn't we?
I know, right? I mean, what are dragons really good at? It's sort of obvious.
It's completely obvious. And what are fire trucks really good at?
Put the two of us together, and you can guess why.
Everyone loves having us at campfires. Then, under the midnight moon, a fearsome forest creature appeared.
I get the feeling they might be thinking of something else we're good at.
Gotcha. And that's why everyone loves having us at barbecues and cookouts.
I prepared some free-range potato salad.
Hey, it's my famous firehouse beans!
I wonder if they were actually thinking of the other things we're really good at.
Absolutely. And that's why we always get invited to birthday parties!
For our special talents.
Our extra special ones!
Blindfolding the piñata hitters.
And spinning them round!
Look, everyone.
Candy!
I have to say, I was really expecting more enthusiasm for our respective skills.
Yeah, and for the candy.
Is there something more they want to see from us? Something in particular?
Well, you're great at welding.
And no one is more fun than you at a water park.
Get you near some fireworks and watch out!
On hot summer days, we're all glad to have your snow cones.
And on cold winter nights, you're the best.
Wait. Do you think they'd be interested in that new thing we've been doing?
Oh yeah! Where the two of us go head to head,
Facing off?
fire truck versus dragon!
Who will win?
Why didn't we think of this sooner? 1,
2,
3!
Huh. I really thought a staring contest would be a crowd pleaser.
Maybe it just takes practice.
Maybe we can try again tomorrow?
You bet! Until then...
Good night, fire truck!
Good night, dragon!
Oh, that? That's nothing.
You should see how we say good morning!
The end. Hello, hello, hello! And... You try to do something fun for the people at home?
This is going on TikTok.